Welcome to Using Green Screen Technology in the Classroom. I'm Mary Hartman of the Learning Resource Center South. Using green screen technology in your classroom lets students immerse themselves in learning by discussing, evaluating, and reflecting while using their imagination and digital skills. It also encourages participation in career readiness practices 2, 4, 6, and 11, as well as Technology Standard 8.1 of the New Jersey Student Learning Standards. Let's look at an example of green screening during one of LRC-South's Make It Monday events.
Hello, I'm Erin, your LRC meteorologist for today. I'm reporting that in Rowan's planetarium, the weather conditions today will be severe thunderstorms with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 69 degrees. And there will be a 60% chance of rain. There is a heat wave happening in our area. Now back to our studios with the latest LRC news.
Here are just a few of the ways that green screens can be integrated into a classroom setting. At the end of this video, we'll demonstrate how to incorporate green screening into a high school level chemistry class to address the NGSS standard HS-PS4-3. Green screening is surprisingly easy and can be mastered in 3 simple steps. First, select or record a background image. This can either be a photo or a video. For this step and the next, you can use any recording device you prefer, whether it's a phone, tablet, or digital camera. Next, record your overlay video in front of the green screen. Finally, upload the 2 pieces of media to an easily accessible location, like a Google Drive, so you'll be able to move it to the editing app later. The editing app we'll be using is the free version of the KINEMASTER app. This will allow us to use the chroma key feature to overlay the green screen video onto the background video. Before recording, here are a few things you'll need to consider. First, set up your green screen. You can borrow one from the LRC Lending Library or create your own with some green craft or construction paper. Depending on your activity, different sizes of screens may be needed. Next, make sure the space in which you are recording is well lit. A lighting rig is part of the set with the LRC resource. Finally, the person being recorded should wear any color except shades of green, and only non-neutral colors, mainly not any color that is skin tone based. This part of the video is going to review how to use the KINEMASTER app. There is a step-by-step PDF guide available for download linked below this video that will walk you through how to utilize the app. It would be helpful to download it now before continuing. Simply pause the video and download the guide. It's also very important as an educator to demonstrate good digital citizenship when choosing your background images and videos. Use media that has either been self-made or downloaded from reputable free sources. There are examples of these on our website. The link can be clicked from the PDF version of the guide mentioned above. Please know that using basic web searches can run the risk of copyright infringement. Now, let's dive into using the KINEMASTER app. First, you'll need to download the app by scanning the QR code compatible to your device's operating system. Using a tablet or device with a larger screen may make it easier to utilize the features in the app. It may also be helpful to upload the files you'll be working with to the app at this time. Now we're going to set up the project. Once the app has been downloaded and you get through any of the setup or advertising screens, tap on the Create New button to begin editing your videos. Then, name your project and choose any of the settings that will work best for your finished video. The presets that are available are usually suitable for most projects. Be sure to click the Next located at the top right corner to continue your project. Upload the background video to the app first. Tap on the Media button. This will allow you to choose either videos or photos. Be sure to click the check mark located in the top right corner to continue. Once uploaded, you will see your video in the Preview and Layer windows. In this mode, you can select your video in the Layer window and utilize the items in the control panel to do such things as edit your video, enhance your audio, add sounds, or layer other images. The possibilities here are endless. It's time to upload the green screen overlay video. Select the Layer button on the control panel to access another Media button. This will allow you to upload your green screen overlay video. Again, be sure to click on the check mark when finished. The video has now been added to the Layer window of the screen and is highlighted in yellow. As long as it is highlighted in the Layer window, you can drag and drop it to the correct timing spot in your background video, or make edits using the tools in the control panel. In the Preview window, resize the green screen overlay as desired by dragging the arrow icons located on the corners of the video. You can also reposition the image by dragging and dropping it to the appropriate position in the Preview window. While the green screen overlay is still highlighted, use the menu in the control panel to the right to scroll and select Chroma Key. Slide the toggle switch next to Enable. This will allow you to use the sliders to make any sensitivity adjustments to the green screen overlay. Be sure to click that check mark at the top right when complete. Make any other edits to your video as necessary. Don't forget that check mark again. The final step is to preview and save your video. To preview your video, click the arrow icon located at the bottom right of the control panel. Please be aware that the video will play back from the timestamp indicator in the Layer window. To save your video, click the Share icon located in the top right corner of the control panel. Select the resolution of your choice and click Save as Video. Once saved, the file will appear on the right side of the screen and should also be saved in your device's video folder. During the summer of 2021, participants at LRC-South's New Teacher Academy utilized green screen technology by incorporating a simple script about fireworks and flame tests in chemistry. Let's take a look.
Fireworks are an example of the flame tests in chemistry.
Flame tests are used to show the presence of certain elements.
For example, the red you see here happens when strontium is burned.
And this green indicates the presence of barium.
Yellow shows sodium, and white indicates that either magnesium or aluminum are in the fireworks.
I'd like for you now to take a moment to review the wording of the NGSS standard HS-PS4-3 written here. Unless you have a degree in physical science or happen to have a passion for the electromagnetic radiation spectrum, you might have a bit of difficulty trying to digest what's at the heart of this standard, as most high school students do. Now imagine using the green screen activity to correlate flame tests to fireworks. Students could draw on this real-life experience of watching fireworks to immerse themselves into the learning experience. They could more easily discuss how heat from the exploding firework causes the electrons to jump from ground states to excited states to emit photons of light. They could reflect on the colors of the fireworks to evaluate the amount of energy in those photons and relate that to the particle model discussed in HS-PS4-3 to gain a deeper understanding of the flame tests in their lab work. Thank you for tuning in to Using Green Screen Technology in the Classroom. Please check out these related resources available from LRC-South's Lending Library. I hope you'll tune in again to our other video resources for more ways to bring everyone together in learning.